everyone, welcome back to The Dish. Now, did you know that you have the option of a quick recovery breast augmentation? Well, I'm here with Dr. Ewert so that he can explain how they make that possible here at Augusta Plastic Surgery. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, thanks for coming again. Appreciate it.
Yeah, okay, so people may raise their eyebrow to the idea of a quick recovery breast augmentation because it is surgery. So how do you guys make that possible here?
Right, so we kind of came up with the idea of doing the quick recovery just because so many patients were nervous about having surgery. I mean, people have thought about it for years and years perhaps and just have never made that jump to having it done because they're scared of not only the surgery part but afterward and getting through it. And so this allows a lot of patients to actually have it done and something where they can get over it much quicker, get back to work sooner, things like that.
And now in this procedure you guys use Exparel. Am I saying that correctly?
Right. Yeah,
okay, and it's actually a non-narcotic. Explain to me how that helps with recovery.
So that's one of the most important parts of the quick recovery is using this medicine. Now it's what it is basically an injection that's done in the operating room while you're asleep, and then before you wake up, it actually numbs the area. And instead of like a numbing agent you get at the dentist that goes away after a couple hours, this is something that actually lasts for 3 days.
Wow. Okay.
So, and that's when most of the pain is in the first couple of days. And so if you can get through that initial recovery where it's mostly pretty numb, then it makes the recovery so much easier.
So much easier. And so we talk about maybe the benefits of doing the procedure this way. You say getting back to your lifestyle a lot quicker. Are there any other benefits?
Yeah, so besides allowing the patient to kind of get through things a little easier and get back quicker to their work or job, basically what it reduces pain so much they don't have to take near as much pain medicine. So I used to have patients that get refills of pain medicine coming in on their first and second visit, but now I rarely see that. So that's a really big advantage.
Yeah. So, and I also think about the people that want to get back to their lifestyle, and it's kind of a private thing. They don't want to let people know that they just had this surgery, so that I feel like is another benefit to getting this
I think that's one of the biggest thing with the getting back to normal. I had one patient that it's on the website there where we actually went through step by step with the procedure with her, kind of followed her along. And she was able to provide videos of us the next day going to son's baseball game and going to church and do all sorts of things like that.
Getting back to life.
And so it was really quick, and so it was really nice to see that it truly could be done.
Yeah, and another thing that you guys do here that I find really neat is your Vectra 3D imaging. Tell us a little bit about that.
So the Vectra 3D, that's in kind of going on the same lines of making the whole process easier and less anxiety. Some patients are nervous about, I don't know what to expect. What's it going to look like afterward? What size do I get? Is it going to be too big, too small? And the Vectra is great because we can show the patients before what they look like now and afterward using different sizes. And they say, okay, that's just the right size. I'm comfortable with that. And it's pretty accurate in getting the right size.
Yeah, it gives you definitely idea of what the result is going to look like. And I think that is one of probably the biggest fears that people have. They're scared like, oh, I'm going to make this transformation. What is it going to look like?
Yeah, exactly. So, and I think the whole process that we've created here is just reduced anxiety. Patients are getting back to normal much quicker, and so it's been a really big success for us.
Well, thank you so much for filling us in. I appreciate it. And if you guys need any more information about the quick recovery breast augmentation, you can go to augplastic.com. Stay right there. When we come back, we're headed into the kitchen for some quick and easy recipes. We'll be right back.